Hey everyone, so excuse Rob in the background, he is just editing. But something different for the start of this one is, this is where we're at. We've got quite well along the live and we're starting to get the wall come in as well as this part of the scene, apart from the right gradient of course. But I wanted to talk about where it started. I never make a secret, I'm a trace artist, especially something new like this. But it was on the live I talked and I thought the difference in the basic trace compared to what we have now, I think it's come a long way, and I want to thank you all at this point for your support with this and your continued support and encouragement with it. And hopefully as it progresses, we're not far off, I hope now, but it has taken a lot longer even with just the shading than I thought. So thanks everyone, and I'm going to continue drawing.